everyone, it's really good to see you here. So in today's video, we are going to talk about Generative fill feature that Adobe Firefly recently introduced. So let's get started. So here you have to upload your photo. So here you can see that the photo got uploaded. Now what we can do first is we can change the background. So here you can see there is so many abnormalities in the background, right? So let's try to tweak it. Hill area near seaside. So I'm selecting background and then I'm clicking here to generate. So here you can see that all the things that have in the background automatically got erased, and then at that position it is going to apply whatever you wanted. So you can see that by giving that problem statement, it has given this type of results, and you have option 2. So here you can see that how easily you can change the background. Now let's select this one and then let's try to tweak her outfit. So let's keep this. Now you can choose the brush setting from here. You can increase or decrease the size. So I'm keeping it this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm selecting all the portion where it has dress. So once you have selected the background, now I want it to be in red t-shirt. So let's generate this. So here you can see that the accuracy is not up to the mark because I have written red t-shirt, but it is showing me some result of blue t-shirt as well. Although it has red t-shirt, but you can twist it accordingly in order to get the results. So I'm just trying to show you how you can do the things. So you got this here. Now you can also select the brush size. So I'm just selecting this brush, and here I want earrings. So let's write this. Let's generate. You can see that now it also has earrings, right? So yeah, this is how you can tweak your image using Adobe Firefly Generative Fill. Okay, so let's try to add some more thing. So I'm just going to keep this one, and now I'm selecting the brush here. I'm just giving this place. I want a shark there. Let's see what happened. You can see that you got so many different results. This is also a shark, so it is doing something, but it's not looking that particularly that much natural, I guess. So let's not keep this. So I'm cancelling this. I want a boat. So you can see that now I got a boat, even so many boats. So I can select accordingly whatever I wanted to keep. Using this, you can add so many things in your background also. So here I want a tree, let's suppose. You can see that only writing the tree is not working very fine. Let's add coconut tree. Let's see how it's going to generate that. Yeah, so we got some trees here, right? So this is how you can tweak your image using Creative Fill. So just do try it out and try to take out your creativity. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.